Hi, I'm Alexander. I'd like to give just a quick example on the use of surfaces on SimShed. Okay, we already know the interface, so here we have the McLaughlin deposit, the base case, all the periods, each color representing a period, the values being respected, the cumulative NPV for the base case. Then we could run different scenarios. In this example, we are placing a surface over here that is blocking a certain area, restricting mining in this area and allowing mining in this area for 5 years in this example. So this means we are on the interface importing a grid of points like I have shown here. And once we are restricting mining up to period 5, so nothing will happen in that area until period 5. Notice everything is as on the topography up to period 5, and then it's free to mine that region. So this is the use of the restrict mining option, and here we are just placing the graphs together just for comparison, and we notice we have lost like 5% NPV with this decision. And the other option is to force mining. In this example, we are forcing this region to be mined up to the end, to the final pit from the base case. You keep the same constraint as before for period 5. And here we are forcing up to period 2, this area should be mined, should be depleted. And when we do this, period 1, 2, notice the area was mined, 3, 4, 5, the other was not touched, and then we keep going. So this is the idea of using surfaces to guide the optimization process. And naturally, we have some consequences in terms of NPV. We can also use those surfaces to force some situations. So I'll come back here, give a quick example. We don't have an example ready here, but if you import, like for example, you could run the first time, you could take the last surface generated, you could use that surface to draw your ramps, and then you could import the surface with ramps here in the last interval on both fields, which means if you import the same surface here and here, it means that SimShed will force mining up to that place and restrict mining beyond that place. So we are saying that we want that solution to be exactly like that, and the optimization will run for respecting this new constraint and try to find a new solution that respect that. So this is a brief explanation on the use of surfaces. I hope this clarifies a little bit the use of the software.